This is our another room. Same thing, we can say almirah and this side.
Blanket.
Here we can see a mirror,
Okay.
and this is a table.
The main different of
room.
two rooms, the stone cutter.
The stone cladding wall.
Huh?
Stone cladding wall.
Stone cladding wall.
It is made of
একটা কারণ আছে আমি বলছি এটা হচ্ছে ড্যাম্প হয়েছিল বলে এটাকে করেছে এই দেখো এই রুমটাতে কিছু কিছু জায়গায় ড্যাম্প আছে
Oh, so some areas something damp, so they have changed the.
That is not damp, it is damp.
Okay.
এই জন্য ওইটা এই করেছে
We can see here a house room, and here is a bed.
Okay,
But
Oh,
we
understood.
should say the bathroom.
Okay. Chalo.
I have an idea.
Okay. Bathroom
that
is
is
also same, not extraordinary.
But this is different.
Please show me the balcony.
এই রুমটা ঠিক আছে এই রুমটার খাটটা বড় ওটা ছোট এটা খাটটা বড় না
Chalo, please show balcony.
Okay, so I will show you
খাটটা
the
ছোট
balcony.
আমি এখন ভালো করে দেখি
So come there.
Wow. What a long balcony.
চেয়ার আছে
थोड़ा बांग्ला में आ जा.
বাবা সি এখান থেকে আমাদের
হ্যাঁ।
বাড়ি টপকে চলে যেতে পারি
Yes.
সরি দ্যাটস very good.
Okay. That's all.
ভালো বেশ ব্যালকনি
What is the name of our hotel?
কুপার ইন
La
La
Kupar Inn.
Kupar Inn.
Okay.
Let's go back.
Thank you. Wow. হোটেলটার নামটা কি?
লা কুপার ইন
ওয়াও, দেখে নাও আমাদের রুম। Parak Das, please describe the room.
This is our room, and when we enter from here, we can see this almirah. So, and on the next side, we can see a table, in which we can see a solar power bank. This is the solar power bank. See,
Solar light. Okay.
it is not charged now, and you can handle it.
Okay.
And sugar or something else, and this is a kettle and other your meat.
Okay. Chair.
Next we can see a dining table.
This is not dining table. Tea table. Tea table and two chairs, which
Yeah.
made by Beth.
Yeah. So and
Dressing table.
this side we can see
Two
dressing table,
Two.
and in this
Two
side
bedroom,
we can see
two-
a bed, and this is a side table
Best side table.
and washroom.
Achha, washroom.
Let's go and see. So, here is our washroom.
This is the wooden roof.
No, it is not properly wooden roof.
Okay. Please show the balcony, please.
Okay, wait.
Please can.
So, so let's go. See what a view. It's not about them. And here
This is the natural view, but at
This
the
is
night
night.
we can't saw anything.
And here's two chairs to sit and enjoy. And we can see their parts. We'll see parts at the outside.
Oh, it's a very long veranda.
Yeah.
In front of veranda, some chairs and umbrella.
Plants.
It's so good to see.
It's a beautiful.
This is the city.
Not city. This is a village, Cherrapunji village, or you may say Sohra village. So,
Cherrapunji, now named by Shorab.
Sohra.
Shora.
Okay.
Okay.
Shora.
Okay.